DuraPost is the revolutionary steel fence post which is widely becoming recognised as the go-to system for all fencing contractors. Designed by industry experts to tackle the pitfalls of traditional timber or concrete fence posts, DuraPost is made in the UK from cold-rolled galvanised steel. The unique 8-shaped patented design will give your fence installations the greatest strength possible, whilst retaining a premium feel that we know your customers will love. As you know, there are many flaws with traditional timber and concrete fence posts. Timber typically starts to rot after about 7 years, and concrete can chip or crack, causing the post to fail. The weight of a concrete post can take its toll on your back during installation, particularly when obtaining the correct level. DuraPost is here to help. Our posts are 80% lighter than concrete, which means they're easier to carry, and you can fit more in your van without exceeding weight limits. The unique design allows the post to be stacked, unloaded and installed by just one person. Installation of DuraPost is easier and quicker than traditional methods, meaning you can do more jobs in one day. DuraPost is available in 4 colours with colour-matched accessories to complete the system. DuraPost can be purchased from a number of stockists throughout the UK and Ireland, and we have a dedicated customer service team to answer any questions you may have. To learn more about DuraPost, visit durapost.co.uk.